Hi guys. Alright, if this camera flips on me again like it did yesterday, I'm going to scream. And when I go to do my editing thing, it doesn't give me the option to flip it back around. I just use my Galaxy, my phone, so it's ridiculous. See, this is what I want to do right here, directly over it. But for some reason, when I try to film it this way, when I go to, you know, pull it back, it always flips. And you get that little weird angle. And it makes me angry. That's my angry voice, by the way. Okay, just going to do a little teeny tiny secondhand unboxing for you guys. I do not subscribe to Simply Gilded, but I have bought a couple of things from them secondhand off the Mercari site, so it will be like subscription boxes that the seller did not use, or like a partial box or something like that. I've gotten pins and pretty little bows and things like that to put, you know, in it, in your planners and stuff. But this is the first time I've got one where I actually got washi. And I thought this had gotten lost for some reason. I don't know why. It took it almost 2 weeks to get here, and it finally came today after I'd almost given up on it. I absolutely love Simply that. Simply Gilded. I love their little bow washi tape. Look at that. Oh, I hope you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Isn't that not beautiful? And it's got my colors. It's got that light green with the pale pink, and then I got silver and yellow, and all of them have their gorgeous little bows on them. I love this stuff, and this is kind of, I guess, some of the stuff that has just like took off like crazy in the planner community. So it's crazy expensive. Some people will sell you just this little roll of washi, and they'll ask 25, 30 bucks for it. Yeah. I forget what I paid for this whole thing, but it wasn't that. It was 20, I think, 20 something. But that was for everything. So I got these. I also got that, and that is beautiful. Oh, I'm going to sneeze on you guys. Excuse me. Hold on. Oh, here she comes. Oh, she's getting stuck. Ah! Okay. Anyway, back to the washi tape. So that is beautiful with the pink and the silver. I love that. And then also this one, and it says spring forever. No, spring forward. That's what it says. Spring forward. And this is from the Mayflowers 2019 is the subscription box. And even the box is gorgeous. So I'm going to like cut that out and turn it into a little folder thingy for my... Oh yeah, I can make a cute little folder for one of my planners for that. So I got all of this washi. Isn't that beautiful? Makes me so happy, guys. Doesn't take much for me. And then also come with one of the little planner pockets. So you would, you know, usually your TNs and things, traveler's notebooks, you can put this, adhesive to it, make a cute little pocket. I'm thinking, and I might rethink this, but because this one has tons of pockets in it, but I don't know. Maybe like on, I don't know. We shall see. Who knows what I'll do with it, but I'll figure something out. And then a cute little card. And this, I'm also going to punch holes in it and put it in one of my little planners. Some sticky notes with little ladybugs. How cute is that? I love ladybugs. Cute little pouch. And that has little bees. Look at there. Oh my gosh, Miss Sharibi would love this. The little bees. And it's pink, and I love the colors. The pink and gray. That's gorgeous. And then this pen. This is only my second Simply Gilded pen. This one I like the best, though. It is beautiful. Again, it's got the pink and the gray that matches. Oh, guys, I love it. And these are nice little gel pens, so they tend to write pretty gosh darn good. And they're real heavy. They got some good weight to them. I'm thinking they're probably refillable, which is awesome. And then I got these cute little stickers. Oh my gosh, there's more bees. And then ladybugs, and then my bows. All these colors, guys, are my colors. This is just beautiful. Beautiful. I'm not sure how many sheets are in here. Probably just the 2. This one and this one. I'm not sure. Let's just open it up and see, shall we? Oh, it hurts so bad. Okay. Yeah, two little sheets. But what a cute little spread that I make in my personal planner or one of my TNs. Oh my goodness, so pretty. But you know me, I will use them sparingly just because. Oh, that's weird. That's a little pin thingy across it. And then this is a little B6 notebook. Pretty sure. Not very thick. But still very pretty. Yeah, just a little B6 notebook. So that will go in one of my B6 TNs here. This one's kind of chunky full though, because she's got all kinds of stuff in her. Let's see. That one's an actual planner. This one I use for, you know, writing out pretty stiff. Just my scripture writing and stuff like that. I love these. Okay, so that's that. Shall we see how the pen writes, if I can get it open? Simply Gilded. There's a lot of really beautiful subscription boxes out there, but I don't want to commit to. Uh-oh, Melissa, don't break it. Well, what am I doing wrong here, guys? What? Oh, hope it's not broke. I've been wanting this. It's stuck in there. Holy molies. No. I'm going to cry. I am going to sit here and I am seriously just going to cry. So, you guys just, the little springy thing is okay, but the actual bottom part of the pen is actually stuck in there. Well, there went my heart. My heart just broke. Just like my pen. Alright, if you guys have any ideas how to fix that mess, let me know. Let's see. Can't even get it to... Okay, we're going to try one more. Oh, I did it! Okay, see, it's probably just me screwing it up anyway. I do that quite frequently. Welcome to the Melissa Show. And then just put that on there. Okay, my heart's not broken anymore. It's pretty much repaired. And let's write my name. Oh, it does. It's beautiful. It's beautiful and perfect. And I have a very special place that I'm going to put this pen. Because I did something last night that I'm not going to... I'm kind of ashamed of, but I don't regret it. If you guys remember me talking about... Let me see if I can find a picture. Okay, I've told you about some of my dream planners, and there's two kinds that I've actually looked at. I'm not a huge fan of Louis Vuitton because they're $1,000, and I don't think they're that pretty, and they're just coated canvas is all they are. I'm like, no, thank you. I do not want to spend that kind of money on a coat. And it's like I said, I don't think they're that pretty, but there is a planner that I have wanted for a very long time that is very expensive, guys. And it's called Vanderspec. I'm going to their webpage right now. Oh, I'm kind of scared that I'll get in trouble for this. I'm going to show you anyway. We'll just see what happens. Okay. So you can get one that's custom made, or you can get what they call a Touch Me, which is ready-made. Right now, they're ready-made designs. Now, these are shipped from the Netherlands. That is where they're made. They've been out of a lot of the ones that I really wanted. But the standard size is for a ready-made one is $124.89. That's a standard size. And of course the color I wanted was sold out too. So I had to break down and go for it. If you hear there's some kind of mechanical thing running around outside, not sure what it is. All right. So I went over to the custom made end of things. Now these get quite a lot more expensive. They do. And what I got was this one here. It's called a standard, and this is pretty much what I got. On these, you get to decide what kind of leather you want, what kind of color rings you want, and what size, what kind of extras you want. So what I did, okay, so the outside leather, you've got all of this stuff to choose from. You can do ostrich print, you can do crocodile. They've got a couple of different kinds of petaled ones. So I got the Parm, the TM Parm, which is a very light baby ballerina pink. And then on the inside, you can choose that, make it totally different if you want to. So say you wanted to put purple, you could do that. And that's Napa leather. Or you can do a different color pink. Whatever. I mean, they have everything from dark purples to wine colors. This is my favorite color, but I don't like the ostrich, and they only have it in the ostrich. But I love those two colors together, the mint and the pink. I think they're adorable. But what I did was I got the pink and the pink, so matching inside and out. And then you get to pick what color stitching you want. And I think, if I can remember, I can't remember what I did. I think I did a little bit darker pink. I either did a darker pink or another. Anyway, I just basically made it look the same inside and out. So you get to do that. So let's say we just go ahead and do the other pink again. So TM Parn. And then you get to do the outside stitching, whatever color you want. And then this has the silver. It comes automatically with the 30mm silver rings. I do not like silver. I am not a silver girl. So I got the gold, which is a little bit extra. That kind of tacked on about $21 more on there. I didn't want a stiffener, so no stiffener. And for comments, I did ask for more, textured leather. I like, they have smooth leather and that kind of thing. And I wanted the more pebbled, grainy look. So I added that in there. And altogether, that came to $202.54, and then it was I think $22 for shipping. So about $230 is what I spent last night. Yeah, but I used a lot of the money that I had in my Macari account, because I've sold quite a lot of stuff. I made a good little bit of chunk of money there. And then what I didn't have, I had about a little over half of it, and the rest of the money I just used out of our account, because we just got that stimulus check, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so anyway, so I have one of my Vanderspec, my dream planner. Seriously, this is my dream planner. The only thing I would want different is the A5s, but they're just a lot more expensive. So I'm like, okay, I can do a personal size one, because I have my Kiki K A5s that I use, and I actually have another Kiki K that I got at an awesome deal used. It's a pre-loved one. It's coming in a few days that I got off Macari. I'm just all the time getting things off Macari because they have such, I just get crazy good deals. But, so that Vander Spec will be the size of my Carpe Diem here. That's the size it's going to be. So I will just transfer all my little yummies out of here into the Vander Spec. And it's going to take it a while. My daughter laughed at me. She said, I'm so forgettable. She said, by the time it shows up, I will have forgotten that I ordered it and it'll be a surprise. It'll be Christmas. Because from what I've heard people say, it usually takes about 5 weeks, I think, for you to actually get it. Because keep in mind, they have to custom make it. And then after they make it, it's coming from the Netherlands. So, you know, and I'm just hoping this whole Corona stuff doesn't slow the shipping down on that, because I have literally been dreaming of this planner ever since I discovered it on YouTube over a year ago, and just thinking, I better not, but I did it, and I'm just like, you know what, I usually buy, oh goodness, a handbag or two for the summer, and I usually get like Dooney and Burke or Coach or something, and I'll just forego that this year because I still have, you know, lots and lots of those, and I'll probably just use my white Coach like I did last year because it's still, you know, it's not dirty or anything at all, so I can still use it all summer long and have my beautiful ballerina pink Vander Spec, and I cannot wait. Cannot wait to show you guys. I may shed a tear or two when I get it because I'm just that excited about it. And this pink pen will go perfect with it. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. Just want to show you my pretty simply gilded stuff, and then, you know, let you know what I did that I haven't told my husband I did yet. Woohoo! All right, guys. I love you so much. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share me. All my information will be down at the bottom, including email address as well as address. All right. I'll see you guys later. Bye.